It looks like an AirPod case. But luckily for me, the lady I bought this off has given me a full tank of premium fuel, mate. So that explains the lack of effort in the thumbnail title. I just hate people who don't say thank you. Get fucked. I don't have to wear my brake pads for you, but I did. Oh, it's another one. Traffic safety management. But the sign is also the reason I can't check the road. Foot down. Yeah, we didn't even catch up with the car in front. I ain't driven many 1 litres. The first 1 litre I drove was on my YouTube account. Pull over, move over. Oh wait. Perks of driving an AirPod case, bro. Why is no one moving over today? How narrow do these not think the car is, mate? It's not fucking stick, yo. I feel like if I wanted to crash in a car, it would not be this one, bro. I just feel like it'd compress into a tin can. Undies in there. I'll be real, the temp cover's not with the official website. Oh, I'm stopping now. Why are you letting him go? Fuck him. Disruption you've caused. You've ruined 4 people's days. There's so many people in the comments were asking me to try and up, which made me think, what is all the hype about? Over then it looks like an AirPod case. But I'll give it you, boys. The handling's decent. I'm not even gonna lie. I hate filming at this time. I was filming school kids unintentionally. If I wanted to do that, I'd put the other SD card in, innit? Launch control. I'll be real, you're pedaling for your life. I'm in a 1 litre, you're making me slow down. It says a lot about your pedaling skills. In terms of today's office space, there's a heater and a handbrake, mate, which don't really work. I'm running late. Today's an important one for once, boys, and I'm not even trying to hang about. But oh, good God, man. See what I mean? He's on my side trying to be passive. But bro, my car's 4 inches wide. You ain't doing shit, mate. We can make that. Oh, you see what I mean? Throaty and small. The car is naughty. It don't let you down. Don't tell you how much fuel you got either. So we just got like, I've got a full tank, but what is a full tank in a 1 litre? It does struggle on hills. That was a detour I did for you, like a little street test, because I feel like the rest of this video is just gonna be motorway. Why is there so much traffic? Oh, bro, I ended it. Hill start for time. I did it too early though, because they've not gone yet, man. I'm just practicing. Can't believe I've got a YouTube channel based off of waiting at junctions. Let me out and let me out. I'm pissed off now, mate. Why is he going so fucking slow? I'm gonna have to gap you in that up, because I will do it. That was no, you know what? That was a really good opportunity to hear the throaty but small 1 litre. Look at him. Do you see it, bro? You got gapped. You got gapped. He's so salty. If I got overtaken by this, I'd be pissed. There's no way you just indicated to go around that. You're such a nerd, bro. You know when you're in a rush, like I am right now, the world just slows down. I don't even think that's a mental. I just think it's just coded in. As soon as you're in a hurry, people do brake in front of you for no reason. And this don't happen when you're not in a hurry. It just doesn't. Oh, it does, but you don't notice it. No, it doesn't, bro. Trust me, I notice when everyone's turning off at every junction. Like this, I've never been stuck here. As soon as I'm in a rush, there's traffic. Does this guy just take my photos? Bro, you're in the disability bus. When I fight at his photo, I go to jail, mate. Yo, you just accept you're just late. Like, you just accept it. And there's an old school argument of leave earlier. And it's just like, I'm only human, innit, bro? I did not think everyone will be emergency stopping in front of me today. Oh, Sheila got off, mate. We might as well do a little launch as well. Listen, just listen to the noise. It sounds like an SVR Range Rover, yeah? Just listen. You know what I mean? Oh, you can't tell me that's not throaty. Oh, bro, someone's spray painted Sigma on the bridge. Sorry if I'm not doing much today, but with all due respect, my petrol's been paid for, so I don't need to go out my way and scavenge your petrol money like I'm some Irish person at the service station. I'm proud to be a traveller. Oh, you know what I'm in right now? I'm in a caravan, bro. Fuck that, bro. Energy drink, cigarette, and it's not even 9 yet. Cut off the energy drink there, and that's a good combo. Bro, this guy nearly rear-ended. Bro, every time I nearly die, it's dead. Alright, on this review of the up, so it's slow because it's 1 litre. It's not trying to be quick. We've established that. The handling is, well, you can say it's good, but it's only handling good because the car don't go quick. So obviously you're gonna think, wow, this handle's amazing. No, it don't go quick enough to oversteer, understeer or anything. That's a good drunk driver's car because it's easy to drive and it's boring, so you do need something to spice it up a bit. I bloody love a bit of summertime. You see this view in front of me, it's proper British countryside, and I love it. I wouldn't change it for the world. Oh, you lot can get through that. Is he just, I think he's pulled out. Oh, I actually can't tell. Oh, bro, what happened to transit drivers, man? These lot used to tailgate me on the M25 and flash me out of the way. You know what it is, bro? I think because Gen Z is driving them now. They're just a bit wank. You just got milk bottled, mate. Safe, bro. See, I love it when you go behind them and they just move over. It just gives me a sense of like, oh, I'm a traffic cop, when I don't really give a shit. Imagine being a lorry driver and a AirPod cable. Bro, I'm pretty sure the front two wheels just lifted up there. What the fuck that? Yo, I swear I'm driving, the wheels just went on the floor. Yo, forget a black box, bro. Get one of these. They don't let you speed. If you go too quick, it takes off. You know what I find crazy? A 15 plate car or a 65 plate car is 10 years old. Oh, that's not crazy. Yes, it is, mate. I literally remember 15 and 65 plate coming out like it was yesterday, bro. And you're telling me we're on 25. In my head, I see a 65 plate car and I think, yeah, that's kind of new. That's like 2-3 years old. But brother, that's 10 years old. You know what I mean? 67 plate. In your head, does that not seem like a new car? That's a 7-year-old dingo, mate. Even this, okay, maybe not this. This is a bit of a Wi-Fi router. But you know what I mean? 67 plates have got CarPlay. If you put a 10-year-old child there and told me he was born when 65 plate came out, bro, I just don't think I'd believe you at first. Most vloggers film the day. I don't film the day, I just film the commute, mate. Anything bad I said about the whip, I take it back. Because look at the mileage now and the difference before, and then look at the tank, bro. Must have done 100 hard miles, yeah. So either the fuel gauge is broken or the car's just gnawing. Oi, 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 oi. Nah, this is the dream, Connie.
Anyway, you know the plan. Fast motors, loads of gas, big houses, loads of land. Fly the packs, hold their land if you're my bro. Oh,
we both got 60 plate.
Oi, oi.
Got the end of the year cars.
Spec wise, I think mine's a bit better. Yo, what specs has yours got that mine doesn't? Oh yeah, his has got the red mats. But if you really want to take the option, you just take a trip to your local Lidl. Is he pulling up? He ain't pulling up. None of these man have pulled in, you know, because they're shook.
We could buy out your seat.
Wait, I don't even. Yeah, we're dealing with some budget builds around here, yeah. Nah, you can get fucked. I bet your car's got imperfections. I said nothing. Like there's about 2 litres combined and 100 horsepower put together. Where you going? What you reckon, cuz? Cause you're cloud seeding. Oh, there's 2 AirPod cases, bro. We're moving like the Apple store. He won't. Imagine getting gapped by 2 ops. Bro, this is the dream convoy. Oh, bro, everything I ever prayed for has come true. Dream convoy, genuinely. Boys, honestly, work hard, you'll get there. Bro, his has got to have a remap. It must have a remap. It must do. Come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. Proper summer car as well. Strong clutch on this bad boy. Oi, 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 oi. Oh, bro, this handles, man. Genuinely, this handles. I got jack and all that shit. I don't have spare wheel though, innit?
I ain't got shit, I got learning plate.
That's a serious mod. Come on, bruv, he's hanging about, mate. I ain't got time. If you want to live the life I'm living, where you get to drive executive pieces of confectionery every day like me and my boy in front of me, make sure you join the group, the Telegram. You don't have to invest anything at all whatsoever, or comment cash flow down below, and then before you know it, you'll be making money and driving cars just like me and him. Oh, fucking hell. Nearly rear-ended the fucker, trying to figure out where the aux was, but I don't see it's there.